Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add logo to header in Squarespace app. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here, go to edit header in your home page, or you can simply go on a homepage editor and just simply click on your header. It will automatically choose it for me, but I just need to wait for a while until it loads. And what I'm going to see, I'm going to site title and logo image. I can click file here and choose, like, I don't know, the food that I got. My friend sent it to me. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So, yeah. And as you can see, this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. You can also change the logo height and mobile logo max height. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.